You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word with a confusing spelling, but the pronunciation is fairly easy once you know. It designates quite a few different things and is pronounced as mogul. Mogul. Stress on the first syllable. American English in the US as opposed to the UK, they would say it a bit more as mogul, a more open R sound. Mogul, American pronunciation, or mogul, British pronunciation. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.